Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add object revolve transition in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your iCloud Keynote software. Then you can see here are my presentation. Then go to the first slide on this presentation, and you can see here are transition menu. Now click the drop down menu and search object revolve transition. Now you can see here are object revolve transition. I'm click this, then object revolve transition apply all slides. Then go to the first slide and you can see here are slideshow menu. Now click this. Then click mouse and you can see here are object revolve transition are showing. Now you can see add object revolve transition in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.